let's see what we can find. Okay, so we're inside one of the original buildings from Apache Studios. It's really cool is because sort of like the Man's Chinese Theater, they have footprints in cement like they do there, which is really cool. Also, I mean, just some of the amazing buildings they used to have there before it burned down is just phenomenal. I wish I could have seen it back in the day. There are many, many movies that were filmed there. There is a wall here that has pictures of all the actors and actresses. Well, maybe not all of them, but some of the major ones that filmed at the Apache Studio. I really recommend coming and checking out this history.